everyone. You should be finishing up Chapter 1 activities today, Tuesday, or Wednesday this week. So that's August 30th or 31st. So let's just go in and look at Unit 1, Chapter 2. If you haven't gotten a text yet, I do want you to contact me. I can give you access to one free online for 21 days, and in that time you will have to figure out getting your text. So you absolutely have to have one to get through the year in this class. All right, so coming up, we're still in Unit 1. Chapter 2 is the living world. A lot of what's in Chapter 2 here should be review from earth science and maybe some biology. So you're going to start with the discussion board, the ripple effect, and then this ties into the reading at the beginning of the textbook of Chapter 2. It's just like a little one-page reading, so you do that and then do the discussion board. On the vocabulary, there's a lot of words, and I've set up on Quizlet, and I think that many of you have already joined this class, and so hopefully you're using that to get through things, okay? It will help you learn to memorize those words, and you do need to know them. On the reading page, hopefully you guys have figured this out. I've given you a PowerPoint. This came with the text, but some of you might get more out of going through that. There's a study guide in a doc form or PDF, so you can print that out and do it while you do the reading. And I've also put the PowerPoint up in Google. So all of those are there for you to use. And as far as the study guide goes, when you get down here to this page, I've given you the key for it. So don't download the key first. Go through, do the process. So the lab this week has to do with power. Who's got power out there? And I think what I said on this, I'm not going to pair you up for this, but it would be great if you worked with a partner. So you can use the discussion board down here below. Michael's already posted looking for a partner. Or you also have the option of using the water cooler discussion board, which looks like Nick and Holly are the only ones that have posted on it. Okay, so you can use either one of those discussion boards to find a partner for this, but it will make doing it much easier. And then there's a conversion problem. Again, try to do it without your calculator, because on the AP environmental science exam you may not use a calculator. Okay, all right, so now let's talk about what you do after there's a quiz. Hopefully you've done all this. You take your quiz, and then next week, to finish up Unit 1, you've got the multiple choice exam on Wednesday and the FRQ on Wednesday. Now, the test corrections, the way I do that, because I figure most everyone should finish this course with an A or a B, and I know it's weighted in favor. I mean, these exams are like 40% of your grade, so that's a great deal for a high school class, but that's pretty standard for an AP class to have those exams weighted more. So what I do on the multiple choice exam, if you score low, I show you, I've got it set so you can see your responses with the correct answers. What I want you to go through is you see the correct answer. I want you to tell me why it is the better answer than what you gave. Or there's a possibility that there's a wrong answer marked in there. If you really believe that your answer is correct, you have to tell me what page, kind of paragraph in your book, reference your book so I know where to find it, and tell me why you think yours is more correct than what they gave. Okay, so, and what I'll do is I will give you back 75% of what you missed. So if you missed 10 questions, I'll give you back 7.5 points, which is actually pretty good. So that's what you can do for test corrections, and I'll give you about a week and a half to do that. So by Wednesday next week, That's after you have a Monday off, but by Wednesday you should be finished with Unit 1, and we're moving on into Unit 2, and we're pretty much going through the book sequentially, so Unit 2 will be chapters 3, 4, and 5. All right? Let me know if you have questions.